Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mutiyet Direct. I'll be talking to you direct from Dallas. It's my month. I am a Libra, a September baby. Yes, September in the house. If you're a Libra, comment below. Let me know if you think indeed we Libra we don't make up our mind. We are indecisive. Yeah, those are the things I read about my sign. But I think it quite sometimes it's true, but it just depends on your mindset. Yes. So yeah, this month I'm gonna be sharing all of the things I have been thinking about, some plans that I've been making, and something that I've been investing in, saving my money on, and I'm actually getting them. So on today's video, as you read, I'm going to be talking about something that I've saved up for, and from now to my birthday, yes, I am saving up for things and I'm going to get them. The big one is going to be on my birthday. Yes, I am definitely going to, that's going to be the biggest way. So you don't want to miss that. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification so that you don't miss any of my upload from now to see what the big surprise is going to be on my birthday. My birthday is coming up on the 25th of September. I am a Libra, like I said. My son is a Libra. He was born a day after my birthday. My twin sister, of course, is a Libra. My brother was born on the 24th, which I have a whole lot of Libras in my family. So yeah, we're indecisive. Yes, we know. I see that in my son too, but it is what it is. We are just who we are. We can't change that. Yes. So for this one, like I said, I will be sharing a whole lot of things that I will be getting for myself. And one of it is... Okay, so now I am about to reveal what is in this box and other packages. So you're gonna see yeah, this is like, you know, the lighting kit. This is the lighting kit. I'm gonna just start mounting them and then show them. Also I'm gonna put the link in the description below. I am also gonna put the names in the description below, just in case you're interested. So yeah, this is the box. This is the lighting kit. I also have other accessories like the Lavalier and other stuff. So I'm gonna also put the link in the description. All right, so let's get into it. So in the past, before I got this email lighting kits, I had Neewer's. That's Neewer's is from Amazon also. So I'm gonna that one, it's about, the tripod is so short. So yeah, the tripod of that was so short, so that's why I needed something that's long, and then that is not as big as this. So yeah, that was so little, so small. And then also I had, so but for this one you can see, so about 4 boxes in there, and then the connector. Yeah, that's the tripod. So yeah, that's the light. That's how it is. So I set it up. So if you want any tutorial on how I did the whole setup, comment below. Let me know if you want more tutorial on that. I'll definitely be glad to do that. But I just set it up because I don't want this video to be too long. It's just me revealing my box with my lighting. So yeah, that is it. And the tripod is so tall. The lighting tripod is so tall. That's one of the advantage of this. So I got that light, and so in the next video, more video to come, I'm going to be sharing some of the things I get that I have been saving for and I'm treating myself with. So yeah, the lighting, I think I'm going to leave the description below. It's about, it's not up to $100, like I said. So yeah, it's very durable, it's easy to fix. Yeah, and everything comes in a bag. You don't even have to, like, everything comes in the bag. The bag is carryable, doable, you know. Yeah. And I got some other things too. I got a lavalier, to see there. lavalier. So I actually look this a video lady. She uses it, and that's why I get it. So it comes in this pouch. So yeah, it comes in the pouch. So it's already. So this is the. Okay, this is the lavalier itself. So that you clip to your clothes. You know, this comes with this and another one. So this is a lavalier. Let me show you what this is. I think this is. It comes with extra kits. Yeah, comes with this. This is also for the mouthpiece. Yeah, I believe. So yeah, but the most important one is just yeah, it comes in a bag, and it also comes. Yeah, he has a clip and he has a extension. He has this that you can plug to the mic, and I also have another extension. But yeah, this is the I got a lavalier. This is the brand I got. Yep, I hope you can see it. Yeah, this is the brand I got. Yes. And so this is this is how it looks. Yeah, it's pretty long. The cord is pretty long. Like, I don't think, I mean, this, I don't know. In school, we always use the wireless ones. Yeah, I mean, school have money for all that, but I don't. I'm just this is what I can afford. So yeah, I don't want to buy too much that I will be like, oh, but this is useful. This is gonna be useful because this lady that used it, I see that audio is very clear. Because for audio, one thing about video is that if your audio is not good, you don't have a video. Yeah, you don't have a video. So audio and lavaliers, you have to be careful when you use them. So I might be making a video about using a lavalier, using all these gadgets, but for now I'm just showing you some of the things I got myself, some of the things I've saved up for and I'm planning to use in future. So lavalier is one of it. So usually I always like to shoot with what's it called, like overhead if I want to do my videos for like cooking and what's not. So I got this new one. I have one before that I still use, but this I found out because I am getting something like it's usually for like to hold a clamp to hold to the table. So I'm getting that, so that's why I got this. So I mean, because I already got something that is like a clamp. Let me show you what that is. Okay, so I got this. This is okay. This I'm gonna leave the description of all this. So this, if you've not seen, I don't know if I have ever shot anything with an overhead, like overhead shot. If you ever see any of my videos, I don't think I've ever done any. So any overhead shot, I always like to, because I have one with my camera, but sometimes, you know, with the ring light and the camera, I just don't want to like put my camera that tilted and everything falls. No, so that's why I got this. And this I saw it on one video about cooking channel, so it's a cooking video. So he uses this and also uses another thing with this. I'm going to show you what that is right now. So he uses this. This is actually like for a mic, like for, you know, all of this radio stuff. So I'm gonna screw this to my camera or my phone. So this is gonna be, so this is the ball, and this screw it, the ball, the one I just showed you, I screw it to this, and then this. So next one is my the one I told you about if I want to shoot overhead. One thing I observe about this overhead, which I also learned from when I get it, when I watched the video of the person that used it, was that if it's a camera, it's not gonna hold steady. So it depends on your camera. For my camera, it's too heavy for it, so I can't use my camera. The only thing I can use to shoot anything overhead will be my phone. So which I'm also going to show you that how I connect my phone with it. But this, I just want to show you how you can use it if you have a camera, a light camera, you know, the kind of vlogging camera, the small ones, not this DSLR. So DSLR is too heavy for this. Don't try it. If you try it, make sure you secure it with something. But try it. You can see it's fair, but yeah, it's fair, but you cannot use. So another thing that I got and I can actually use with this is this. It's called Vital. This whole phone is even rough. It's called Vital. Yeah, that's that. So yeah. So that I'm just gonna rip it off. It's already broken, sorry. So yeah, this. So this. And then you just screw it into. So I screw this. Yeah, I know, too much gadgets, right? I know, but it is what it is. If you want to shoot, like, if you want to get a best shot of, like, do things that is, you want to get things better shot or something, you have to invest in gadgets. You have to. If you're doing a YouTube channel about cooking, doing vlogging, whatever. So yeah, this is, you can move it around. This has a knob. So after you lock it, you'll screw it to this, because with this I forgot what it's called, but I'm going to leave the description below anyway so you can see. So with this is another set, and this right here is another set. It's more like a 3 things, 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th one, just to shoot an overhead. Yeah, I know there's other ways you can do it, but that is, I know the other ways you can do, which is as simple as just tilting your tripod and then putting something to hold. But you don't want to be in the middle of shoot and something just fell up and you're like, and start panicking. So yeah, this, you can, it's movable. You can twist it around if you want your phone to be vertical on it. If you want your phone to be this way, if you want it to be like straight upward, so just like this, you lock it, and yeah, so that's that for this. And this is adjustable also. You can, you know, bring it down to lock your phone in. Depends on the size of your phone. Yes. So yeah, so that is the gadget I invest in. So if I want to shoot my video, I want to shoot my food, I lock this up. So this, so I'm gonna show you, I mean, in another video I'll probably show you all details of all how I set things up, but today I'm just gonna show you things that I get, things that's gonna make my life much easier. I'm telling you, these things are gonna make your life much easier if you're looking to shoot overhead stuff. If you're using, if you want to do food, if you want to do a whole lot of content, like different things, these are gonna make your life much easier, and they are not that expensive. They're affordable also. So yeah, so that is that for the things that I get. So that is it for my gadget, my lighting, my overhead settings. So I'm gonna have a video, an in-depth video on how I set everything up, and you're gonna see. Just subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, give that video a like, and then click the thumb up to help me to help my channel. And see you on my next upload. Bye bye.